Howdy, welcome to another Kenyan Radar video. Today we'll be reviewing the Oraimo Traveler Vision, the 27,000 mAh battery from Oraimo. Already did an unboxing video which you can check out here. I'll go through the build quality, the capacity, charging, and this light. Let's get started. Starting with the build quality, it's a good power bank. It feels premium. At the time of recording this video, there's an offer on the Oraimo eShop in Kenya and I think Nigeria, where you can get this for about half the price. Take advantage of that. I leave links in the description as usual. Check it out and the pinned comment also. For the build quality, as I said, it feels really premium. That's just about it. And for the capacity, I have a 3500 mAh phone, which I used to test this at 100. I tried to drain this and it was able to charge my device from 0 to 100 about 7 times, which is quite good. So you can use that figure to calculate how much it will take your device. I was able to charge 2 devices. Since it has 2 outputs, you can charge 2 devices at a time, but the outputs are different. This one with the Anifast branding, this one is 12 watts and this other one is 10 watts, which is not much but should be enough for most phones, but it will be a bit slower if you are used to all those crazy charging speeds which we see nowadays. But anyway, it's good. The speeds are tolerable. No, not tolerable, they are good enough. I haven't had any problem with them. You can charge up within an hour and a half or 2 hours depending on the kind of phone you have. The outputs are 2, but one bad thing about this power bank is that it doesn't have a type C output. You can see there are many ports here, but all these 3 are inputs. This one is for USB, micro USB, and this one, if you have the iPhone cable, you can use it to charge using this one, the second output. And for the third input is the type C. If in case whatever cable you find around, it will be able to charge this. Clearly it can charge devices, most devices, mobile devices. I tried this on a laptop, but it didn't work, but I think it's because it's just 12 watts maximum output and most laptops require 45 watts and above. So if you intend to use this on a laptop, I don't think it will work. The power bank clearly can charge other devices like tablets and phones, but how about charging it? Now this is where you need to brace yourself. Charging this thing up from 0 to 100 took me around 12 hours. I was using this Oraimo extension. It outputs 20 watts. I was using this type C output and I was using the Oraimo cable. This is a 65 watt cable, but of course that's not the amount of power you're putting into this, but it's just the cable that I have. I love it. I'll also leave a links in the description where you can buy this. It can also charge laptops, given that it's 65 watts as long as you use the right head. This is the charger it's using. And the one good thing about it, it has a LED indicator which will show you whether power is going through. That one, it's not clear here, but it's a bright white light. So you can check out in the description. I leave links to this. It's just 500 shillings, so you can check it out. This is I was using this extension. I've also done an unboxing video on this one. You can check it out here. It's a nice extension. It has AC outputs plus this USB, normal USB outputs, and this type C output. This is what I was using. I was able to charge this in about 12 hours. It might depend on the kind of head you're using. Just make sure you use a fast charger. So that's it, 12 hours. Take note of that. It's a really long time, but also this thing takes quite a while to drain. Now from charging and all that, let's go to my favorite feature on this power bank. This is what made me buy it, the LED lighting. This one, it comes in handy in case there's a power outage or you're outside where there's no access to power. Or I charged this thing up to 100% and I left it on, and it took around 69 hours, give or take. It went off in the middle of the night when I was asleep, so I'm not sure, but it was over 60 hours, that I'm certain. That's it, and it was at maximum brightness, meaning it can last longer even at other brightness levels. There are 2 more brightness levels, and also there's a emergency mode which you can use where necessary. That's just about it with this power bank. I leave links on where to buy it, and take advantage of the offer that is there right now, where you can get this for about half the price. I leave links in the pinned comment and the description. See you in the next one.